Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a summertime nail. This is a sailboat on my nail. All you need is blue, black, and white. So if you want to learn how to put a sailboat on your nail, keep watching. Alright everybody, so to start the sailboat look, what you want to do is apply a base in white. I am using, this is Orly in white. It's called White Tips. So you can apply that as a base. Next, what you want to do is use a blue. So here's my blue. And you're going to want to create the base of the sailboat. It's a basic line. Okay. So it's a line that you're going to want to make just across the nail like this. Like that. Okay, now you're going to take right the ends of the line that you just did and just kind of create kind of like a smiley face to it. Like that. Okay, next you're going to want to create a line going all the way up as far as you can on the nail. Make sure you don't touch the ends of the nail. So you create your line. Up, 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 and you stop. Then you're going to want to create an angle, kind of like an angle, a sharp angle. This is going to be the first sail. The first flag, I'm sorry. And you're going to just go down with it. Okay, and then you're going to want to connect it to the base of the boat. Like that. Now you're going to create another line going up. This time you're going to want to try and make it a little bit thinner. So you go up with it. And you stop. And then you're just going to make this not as sharp as the other angle of the flag, but this one you're going to want to make it a bit bigger, like going out more. I'll show you. Like that. See how that looks? It looks like it's two different kind of flag shapes. That's exactly what we want. It's going to look like that. Okay, now you're going to make another line inside of that last shape that you created. And you're just going to go up with it. It's okay if it's a little bit thicker because we're going to shade in the outline anyways. And then you're going to create the flag. The flag is right at the tip of the boat. So you just make it going up like that. Okay, now you want to color in the lines that you created. Now what I'm using is the one that comes already in the nail polish, but if you have tools it's even better. There's special brush sets that you're able to purchase. I found the cheapest on eBay. I will be doing a couple of tutorials with those tools, but for this I just need this wand. Color in the flag right at the top like that, and then you want to color in the base of the boat. Okay, once you have this set, all you have to do is add the little birds. We're going to take a black for that. And we're going to put the birds on the side. And to make the birds, it's kind of like you're making the top of the heart, just not completing a heart. You see that? I hope you guys can really see that. There you go. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing for the other side. My nail polishes are getting a little bit gunky here, so it's taking me a bit more to make this bird, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Just as long as you're able to tell that it's an actual bird, it's okay. There you go. So there's our second sailboat. So we've got 2 down, 3 more nails to go. I hope you guys can really see this. It's pretty cool, actually. My inspiration for this was my last nail tutorial. The toothpick I used had a sailboat on it, and I'll show it to you. This is what the inspiration for this tutorial is. It's my toothpick sailboat, and here's my design. So pretty close to it. It's pretty cool. I really like the colors, and it's just fun, you know. I'm going to do one more for you. I don't want to make this tutorial too long, and then I'll finish it up and take a couple of pictures. So we'll do one more here. Okay, now remember you want to create the base of the boat, just a straight line. Kind of make a happy face with it and go down. And create a line going up. And then you're going to create the flag kind of at an angle here. Triangle shape, and then you're going to take the wand again and create a second line. I didn't like that line, so I'm going to kind of do it a little bit closer to the other one. Make this one a bit thicker, like so. And I'm going to make a bigger shaped sail here. And then I'm going to create the flag. Alright. We're going to put our birds on here. Using this gunky black that I'm using. There's one bird. Make his wing a little bit longer there. And then we're going to do the other bird. This bird's going to come out a bit small because I'm running out of nail space here. This bird's going to come out a bit small because I'm running out of nail space. I don't have long nails. My nails are a bit shorter than the average nail. And that's it. So here are my nails. And I'll be sure to put a couple of pictures up so you guys can get a better look at the little boat. Cute. And I hope you enjoyed my nail tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.